Hi guys, so we are here for another live session, and for all of you who are wondering who is this new face today, so I'll just start with my introduction. My name is Vaishnavi, and you will be seeing more of me on this page from now on. So today, as our guest of the evening, we have a ravishing content creator named Bhavika Dhal, and we'll just wait for a couple of minutes for more people to join in, then we'll begin. So, how's your weekend going, guys? It's the Saturday night, Saturday evening, so you might have plans. How's it all going? We're just waiting for our guest of the evening to join in and then we'll begin. So, guys, tell me something. How's it going? How's the weekend going? How are you all? We're just waiting for our guest to join in. She was stuck in some traffic, so hence the delay. We're just waiting for our guest to join in, and we'll begin in a couple of minutes. I can see a lot of people joining in. So, hi guys, how's it all going? How's your weekend going again? A lot of you might be wondering, who am I? Who is this new face? So, I already gave my introduction before, but as I can see, more and more people are joining in. So, this is Vaishnavi for you, and I hope you all enjoy this live session with me. Bhavika, I would request you to join in the live session. A lot of people are waiting for you. Hi Bhavika, hi.
Hi,
Welcome to the
Vaishnavi.
session. How are
Thank you
you?
so much. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. We were all waiting for you, you know.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Actually, I had some
It's
work, then I
okay.
got stuck in the traffic.
I know, yeah. So, how's your day going? It's a Saturday evening. We are troubling you for this live session. I'm so sorry for that. But yeah, how's
No,
it all
no,
going?
it's actually great. It's a real honor to be a guest on someone's live. I'm really happy today.
It's all our pleasure. Trust me, it's all a pleasure.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Bhavika, we have a bunch of questions for you, and so we'll begin with it.
Yeah, sure,
So, yeah,
definitely.
starting off, tell us something about yourself. Who is Bhavika? Where did you study from? Where are you from? Everything.
Okay, so Bhavika Dhal is a simple Delhi girl who has done her graduation just 2 days ago. So yeah, that was
Okay.
my completion of the graduation, and
Yeah.
now I can call myself a graduate. I don't know will I be studying further or not, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. And Delhi based as I mentioned, and
Right.
Bhavika Dhal is basically a girl who has lived in a middle class house for the longest time of her life and who wants something big from her life, who wants to
That's so good.
make a make an effort or make a difference maybe. So yeah,
You're
if
truly
that
an
can sum up.
inspirational for, a lot of us girls. You're truly an inspirational. It's so good to see such young minds like you to be aiming such high and actually doing efforts to achieve that goal.
Yeah, thank
So
you so
Bhavika,
much.
how did it all start? I mean, how would the content creating thing happen to you?
It was not planned, of course. It was never a part of my life, matlab, my journey. But what made it happen was the pandemic, you can say. It's a coronavirus, it's sort of a blessing
Right.
for me. I mean, not in a, that sense. But yeah, that kind of pushed me, when I was at home, everybody was at home and, wanted to do something as college was online and I had a lot of free time to do so many things. Then I thought that why
Right.
not give it a try or just, I'll learn something maybe. And my
Right.
father is already in this photography line.
Oh,
So I
that's
had
so good.
quite an edge over it, like editing and all sort of that. So that pushed me too. So, and I was always an extrovert, so
Right.
it wasn't, like it wasn't bad for me or it wasn't difficult for me to start this. I was quite confident from the starting, but
Yeah.
definitely have grown a lot. I can say that.
Right, that is totally visible in your content. I mean, I am a fan of yours. The time I got like scroll through your posts, and I was like, wow, this girl is doing amazing.
Thank you.
So yeah, let's just say that pandemic brought out the creative instinct inside you, and
Truly,
hence this
truly.
happened. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, Bhavika, who's your inspiration? I mean, there might be someone you might be looking up to in this content creating field. So
Yeah,
yeah,
definitely. The very first person was Srimay Reddy. I don't know if you have heard of her. She
yeah, yeah,
won
yeah,
the
definitely.
FIAMA like the award in under 100K. So
Right,
she was so confident, and she inspired me a lot. That you just need your phone. That's it, and whatever you can give. she was the person who was not, you know, just making entertainment reels. She was actually
Right.
providing value to her to her audience, and that is something that made her, you know, stay in that field for a long time and made her like a star, you can say that. So she was a true inspiration for me. And another one is Alfia Karim Khan.
Okay.
She's such a beautiful person. I can say I've never met her, but she gives such positive vibes, you know, and she keeps me motivated every single day. Her
That's so
posts and her talks, everything is just therapeutic. Therapeutic.
That's so good. That's so good. I mean, there are a lot of women to, look up to, and they're doing such great in their lives. And I mean, there's not even a need of you to have, a lot of equipments or a lot of things around you. You just
Yeah.
need your ideas, your creativity, and that's
Yeah,
it.
exactly. You know, every single day when you live, you don't need a lot of ideas. There is, if you're doing your skincare, you know, you're sitting with your
Exactly.
family, everything and every second can bring you an idea. And what I do is I
That's
just, you
true.
know, write it in my phone so that whenever I have low motivation, I can go to that list and just start shooting.
That's such a good idea. So, guys, make note of it.
Yeah,
Whenever you have ideas, just jot it down. You never know when it might help you.
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. So another question for you, Bhavika, is that how do you deal with the neck-to-neck competition that's going on in this industry? Since Instagram introduced Reels feature, so we can see a lot of budding content creators who are doing amazing in their fields. So
Yeah,
how do you
that's
deal
so
with that
true.
competition?
I don't honestly. I'm not that good at dealing with the competition. I sometimes, you know, just cry out like, why, you know, the people who have such low quality content than mine, they're also getting such views, and you know,
Right.
everybody is doing their best. They're providing such good content, such good quality, and how do I keep up with that every day? You know, there is a pressure to post every day on Instagram. It's not like YouTube. You know, post 2 to 3 times a week. You have to be engaging with your audience, through stories, through DMs, through posts. Every post has to has a, you know, CTA, call to action, that so that you
Right.
get more comments. The content should be such that people save it, that people share with their friends. So there are so many things that we have to keep in mind while creating one single content, and honestly, it
Exactly.
takes the whole day, like from shooting to editing, from planning. It's just too exhausting.
It's
Sometimes
true
I
that,
just
true
take
that.
a break for 3 to 4 days, and then I
Yeah.
just come back.
That's so good. I mean, that detox is also very important for our lives. That,
Truly,
take a break and just go off with some new ideas.
yeah, it
So,
gets over your head sometimes, and you just, you know, feel like just quitting everything.
exactly, exactly. And yeah, I agree with you. Like, engaging with the audience is such a major step in this age that if you're not
Agreed.
engaging with them, there's no engagement, there's no interaction, they won't follow you. They'll
True.
simply
Everybody, you
skip
know,
your content.
and as soon as you go off of Instagram, your followers start falling like this. You know, and
Exactly.
even if you keep creating content, there might be days, you know, when 10, 15 days has passed, you're actually posting continuously, and still your followers are falling. But
Yeah.
keeping up with that, and you know, the motive to bring the motivation to still continue, it sometimes get over your head. It's too difficult to handle.
I know, right? So yeah, coming to the point, motivation. So what exactly motivates you? What keeps you going? Creating content on a daily basis is hectic. I know. I mean, planning, shooting, editing, then bloopers. So yeah, it's not at all easy.
Yeah.
So what keeps you going?
uh, Motivation, I have to say that, you know, when I open my DMs, there are a lot of people asking me for, you know, some recommendations or something. Then I think that I'm actually providing value on it. And when I
Right.
see someone else's content, and then I realize that I know so much more things, or you know, I know about this area as well, and I can provide my, you know, thoughts to my audience. So
Right.
that kind of, you know, motivates me, and my friends definitely. My sister, she is actually a psychologist. I mean, she's a therapist.
Oh,
So
yeah.
she is a big, you know, support for
Support.
me. Yeah,
Yeah.
truly.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So yeah, audience keeps you going, right?
Yeah, audience
Yeah.
keeps me going. Audience sometimes let me down too.
I know
Yeah,
the hatred.
it just maybe the algorithm or what, you never know.
Exactly. So how do you deal with the hate comments if you receive any?
With the hate comments, sometimes I just, you know, laugh at it and let it go. But a few times there have been a time when there were hate comments about my family and my friends. Then that was the time when I wanted to take a step, and
Right.
I
That's
showed the
so
person
triggering
a
at
real
times.
hard time. I gave that person
Yeah.
a real hard time, and then it stopped, thankfully. I was actually
That's so
scared
good.
inside that if something big happens with this, I'm reacting. I might be overreacting to it, but I
Yeah,
still had to react. I cannot say that. But
exactly, exactly. That's
majorly,
true.
there are people who do hate comments. Maybe they are disturbed in their own field or anything.
Exactly.
You can never find a
They
reason for
just
that.
need a window to vent off.
Yeah, that's it. I just
That's
let
it.
them do
Yeah.
that.
That's cool. That's cool. I mean, the best way to deal with hate comments is simply to not deal with it, I believe,
Yeah,
because you cannot stop anyone, right? You cannot
true.
just go into the screen and be like, okay, don't type that, don't say that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, because
I
people,
really want to get it out sometimes. Then I, usually talk to someone because
right,
if I keep it inside me, it might show up in my content, it might
that's true.
affect my content. So I just talk to someone and then it's gone.
That's
Yeah,
so good. That's good. I mean, you have to be very courageous in this thing. I believe that, dealing with
thank
the
you.
hate comments and calling out that person. So yeah, it
Truly.
can be very like toxic at times as well,
I know people can
right?
go crazy with the hate comments. You can't even, read them aloud in your head. It
Right.
Yeah, but touch wood, I haven't had such big incidents as such. But yeah, it was good. The good journey is good. I can say that the people who love me are
Yeah,
much more than the people who hate me right now. So
that's
that's
so
a
good.
good
That's so
part.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So Bhavika, where do you see yourself maybe 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line? Would you still create content, or what would you want from your life?
Yeah, I would love to create content. I mean, I the days I create content, like I shoot or I edit, are my happiest days, you can say. I feel so
That's so
accomplished in
good.
myself, since this is the field where you are on your own boss. You don't have to answer
Right.
to anybody, but you have to
Exactly.
answer to yourself. So the days, which I don't create content, I feel like I did not do anything. I should have done things. Everybody's doing it. Then that competition hits your
That
head.
guilt just takes over, right?
Yeah, it does. That guilt is too much to handle. Then I think I plan and then I execute. And then I
Right.
think that I can, be happy with it. So 5 years down
Exactly.
the line, I can definitely think that I'll be creating content more of skincare definitely because since the day I started, my page is more oriented towards skincare, and I
Right. Right.
realized that I love reading about it. Like even just the big blogs or anything, I love reading about the ingredients, about anything about skincare. So definitely I'll be doing that, and after 5 years or 10 years, I think I'll be more independent and I
Right.
can be with my parents and provide everything that they want, truly
That's so good.
everything. Like
That's really good.
I
You're
guess
very
that's
passionate about your job. I mean, that's one thing that will keep you going for sure, and you will reach the height.
I
Definitely.
thank you.
Yeah. So, tell me something. I mean, what do you think makes you different from others? What are your USPs basically?
First is definitely professionalism. I've seen people reaching towards a brand saying collab question mark.
Right.
I don't like doing that. I see it
Right.
as a job, as a proper job. When you want clients, you approach them professionally so that they
That's true.
know that you are, serious towards it and you will be
Exactly.
providing value to their page as well. So that is
Definitely.
one thing that I do. Second, um, whenever I, create content regarding any product, I do my research about it and I try to find the good and the bad, everything about that. You know,
Right.
Majorly I try the products for like 2 to 3 weeks and then only I give my review. And if I do not end up liking a product, then I
Yeah.
just simply tell the brand that it did not work for me. So I won't be posting any content for it. I don't want to, post negative comment, negative review about it because it might work for somebody else. It just didn't
Exactly.
work for
True.
me.
True.
So
Yeah.
I don't want to pull you down. You can maybe try another influencers with
Yeah.
whom this product will work, and you can ask them to review. And this is one thing that I just do not like to do. And
That's so true.
yeah, another USP you can say. Yeah, I do not, create much of entertainment videos. I just know with every post, I try to provide value. At least,
Right.
yes, you can say that I try. It's not always possible
No, you
because,
definitely do. You definitely do. That's quite visible with your audience
yeah,
supporting you so much.
yeah, I don't like, keeping the fillers in between or the Pinterest pictures. It
Yeah.
creates a good, feed, but
Yeah.
it doesn't make me happy. I want this page, basically is just providing value to the audience.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, professionalism, as you said, like yeah, there are many people who just reach out to the brand saying like in a very casual way, and I think yeah, it's your job. You should be more particular about things, how you
Yeah.
present yourself, because that's how brands will actually want you to, convey their message, their products, promote their
Exactly.
products.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and
So
that is one
that's
thing that has
definitely
helped
true.
me. That has helped me get so many collaborations, even with 2,000 followers. I can say
Right.
that I have seen followers. Sorry, I have seen influencers getting paid after 8 to 10,000. But I get paid
Definitely.
right now because I asked
Yeah.
for it, because I know that I deserve it.
That's
I'm
true. That's
I'm providing good quality content that you can promote to your brand. You can use it on your page. So why shouldn't I be
exactly.
get paid? So that
That's
is
true.
one
That's
thing that makes me going as well.
Yeah, and I have seen a lot of influencers who are not confident enough in themselves that, oh, all right, I have only 2K followers. Who will be willing to pay me? So
Yeah,
that's something that
it's
I
not
think you
that.
are creating content. It is valuable anyhow.
True,
So yeah,
exactly.
that's true. So Bhavika, now coming to a fun question round. So tell us about your amazing skin, your skincare routine, some of your beauty tips that, we
Okay.
might also just follow.
Yeah,
So yeah,
yeah, right. Okay. So if you can see, I'll just show you here.
yeah.
I have all of my skincare
Oh.
right here. It
Oh
gets
God, that's
so
amazing.
overwhelming. It gets so overwhelming trying out the products. I'm telling you. Even while doing my skincare, I don't feel relaxing anymore. It's just like, I'm trying out the product. I'm so
Right.
conscious about it, about its texture, how it's feeling on my skin, because I have to again, convey it to my
Exactly.
audience. So that is
Yeah.
also one work from me
You
now.
have to be very particular about each and every step, right?
Exactly. Right.
Yeah.
And if for one day I forget to try a product, then I feel like yeah shit, मुझे एक दिन और try करना पड़ेगा इसको for to
Yeah.
to give my honest review about it. So that goes in the line as well.
Yeah.
Starting with I'll just tell my AM skincare routine.
Yeah.
Okay, someone just said that do a giveaway. Okay,
Giveaway.
since I'm already doing a giveaway, just head over to my page.
Just check her account, guys.
Yeah.
She's doing an amazing giveaway. So yeah, you
Yeah.
might want to participate.
So the very first thing is that with this, let's start with the face washes or face cleanser.
Yeah.
I always like to keep it simple, like no actives or no nothing in it, because the funda behind this is it's going to stay on your skin only for a few seconds, maximum 60
Right.
seconds. So there is
Right.
no point in putting so much actives which are going to be washed away. So instead,
That's true.
always invest in a good serum, and that too according to your skin type. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is one thing, and then coming to the moisture, the toners. I always use a toner. Toner, it provides it provides a base basically.
Right.
It provides a base for your further skincare steps. Then the serums. I do not use a lot of serums. All I have used till now is like vitamin C and salicylic acid.
Yeah.
Let me just show you. I have 3. I've already finished these 4 bottles of vitamin C. I
That's so.
love it.
It clearly shows.
Yeah, I
Someone
actually,
is asking, is there a giveaway for boys?
yeah, there is a giveaway for boys which I'll be doing next. Maybe, but
That's so good. So skincare is for everyone. No boy,
yeah,
no girl.
skincare is for everybody. But
Yeah.
since this one is basically for girls because there are scrunchies and earrings and all
Right.
that, so maybe
Right.
come in the next one. So
So you got an idea, like,
yeah,
okay, boys are also watching my videos, so I should do
yeah.
a giveaway for boys.
Okay, I'll definitely do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the vitamin C I was talking about, I've always been called, sick or pale. Like on my random days, I'm, doing happy and someone comes in like, you look sick today. I was like, no, I'm normal. It's just my face right now. It was always so pale. I don't know why. And then, vitamin C came into the picture. And
Yeah.
when I started using it, basically it was in the pandemic only. So there was much less sun exposure. so that helped me as well. Then the vitamin
Right.
C kind of just brightened my face in a few months, and I could totally see the difference in my skin. I
That's true.
felt so good that I never stopped using it, and I don't think so that I'll ever stop using it now.
It's like a holy grail for you,
Yeah,
right?
it is a holy grail. I don't know about other actors, but vitamin C is just my love. It is.
That's good. That's good. So yeah,
So,
these are your beauty tips. So guys,
yeah.
everyone take notes.
And one more,
Cleanser,
which is
toning,
the
and serum.
most, yeah, the one which is the most important one is your sunscreen. You can skip
Right.
any step that I said till now, but do not miss a sunscreen. It's
And
like,
I have seen people skipping sunscreen like anything. They don't feel the importance that, we are going out in the sun, we should apply. No one thinks about it.
no, just read science book. Ozone layer is thinning. You might get cancer, yeah. Just start
People are
wearing
not
sunscreen.
afraid of anything.
Yeah, they just
Really.
up to, even with the corona, no one is afraid. It's just
Exactly.
like
People
any
have
other.
normalized it like anything. People are out, without masks. And with this vaccination thing also, I believe like people are like, okay, I'm vaccinated, I'm good to go. Without even a mask, without social distancing, nothing will
No,
happen to me now.
I don't know. They're like, if it hasn't happened to me till now, it won't happen now. Like,
Exactly,
that's such a
exactly.
stupid reason. It doesn't even make
That's
sense.
yeah. Exactly. And even after the second wave, it was so horrifying. A lot of people lost their loved ones. And
Yeah,
even after then, a lot of people are not understanding the importance of, using a mask or maybe maintaining a distance. So yeah,
true. In second wave, I guess either someone has lost someone of their own, or someone they know. Because
exactly,
there were
exactly.
so many deaths, I guess everyone have had a kind of a close interaction with the death
Exactly.
scene, but still people are so just lazy
There
about
are
it.
a
I
few
don't
people
know
who
what.
are, yeah, very ignorant about things. So yeah, cannot do anything. We can just advise. It's upon people.
Truly true, that's
Yeah.
true.
So yeah, other question I had from you, Bhavika, is what defines fashion for you? What do you understand for fashion, and what basically is your style?
The good point is that I don't have a style. I just I
That's
try
so
out
good.
different things.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
try
so
out
good.
different.
I mean, being experimental is everything you need, right?
Yeah, but you can definitely stick to one style. Like for me, casuals is one thing that I love. Just basic t-shirts and rug jeans or mom jeans type stuff.
Yeah.
That's like a go-to for everywhere. I can even go to a party in that. Yeah.
So okay, if you have to be stuck with one piece of clothing entire your life, so what would it be for you?
Oh, this is so difficult. Okay, since it's one piece, then I can only
Yeah.
settle with the dress. That
Yeah,
is
exactly, exactly.
otherwise it would be a two-piece thing.
Yeah.
Then I would definitely go with the casuals.
That's so good. I mean, yeah, casual is the new trendy.
Yeah, like this, the summery dresses, they're so cool, and it changes with the weather.
That's
In
true.
winters, I love sweatshirts, like sweatshirt dresses and all that.
Yeah,
That's one thing. And high waist jeans is everyone's go-to nowadays.
exactly. That's a
Even basic
savior.
t-shirts. I just love basic solid or polo t-shirts. I love
Yeah.
t-shirts. I don't know why.
You can never go wrong with a solid t-shirt.
True,
That's
true.
true.
That's just your no-brainer kind of style.
Exactly, exactly. You do not want to waste time in thinking, okay, what to wear. You just take out
Yeah,
one basic t-shirt and you're good
and
to
you're
go.
good to
Some
go. Yeah.
accessories and done.
Yeah, and sometimes I even like to be all glittery. I can go with the two extremes with my outfit. So that is one thing that I can define my style. You can
Yeah,
sit anywhere in between this.
they're like all over the place. I can be
Yeah.
anything. That's so good. That's so good. So, Bhavika, one piece of advice that you would, like to give young content creators or people who are, willing to start their own page, their own, maybe an account, a YouTube channel, or maybe a blog. So, what do you think that you have learned through this time? That what is that one thing that you need to have within yourself?
Um, I can say that I'm still learning, but a few things that I have observed is being consistent does not help as much as being,
Right,
professional helps. So that is one
right,
thing. If you're, I've seen people with 30 to 40 followers and still, not being able to define a product.
right.
That is what I don't like. So that just don't do that. Otherwise, you can be And first of all, people just get into this industry to get collaborations.
Right.
You don't have to, go for collaborations. Brands will come to you if you focus on yourself. So basically, provide what you have right now. Do not go for free products. That's not your big aim. The big picture
Exactly.
is better than this.
Exactly.
Brands contact me and they say that we will pay you, please try our product and please review it. They have a lot of, dimensions. You have to take care of this and that, your makeup, your jewelry, your clothes.
Yeah. There are many prerequisites, I believe, right?
Yeah, truly, and that gets over your head sometimes.
That's true.
So,
That's true.
yeah, and if you're entering this industry, just the very first thing is that I said is focus on your own content. That will help you, and you will learn through it. And brands will, and if you only have collaborations on your page, even people will not follow you. That is true. Because whenever they see a sponsored content, they just skip it.
Yeah, I don't really understand this mentality behind this. I mean, why? I mean, the person is trying the products. They are giving their opinion, their true opinion in that sense. Then what is the problem in being sponsored? I mean, that's the job, that's the job of
Exactly.
content creator.
Yeah, and I think if I'm being paid for trying out a new product which can, do anything with my skin, it can even harm me. So that takes a lot of courage, trying out different
That's
product
true.
every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Literally every 2 to 3 weeks, my whole skincare changes. So
Yeah.
it
And
does
you
give.
never know where you might end, what suits you,
Yeah,
what does not.
exactly. And people just don't, care about that. And one thing that I want to say is if something is on my page and I'm telling good things about it, that is only
Right.
because I liked it. If
That's
I did
true.
not like something, that will never be on my page. So
Yeah.
that's one thing, people should, the content creators who are just starting should do. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I
So
haven't
yeah,
learned
basically,
much in this industry, but this is it.
no, I mean, you have stated some really good points that being consistent does not only help because there are people who do not, they believe in quantity, not quality. So
Exactly.
that is something that is a big no-no in this industry, I would say.
True that. And maybe
Yeah,
if you have the pressure to keep, create content every day, then you might, actually create bad quality content just because, you have to
exactly.
do it. Don't do
For
it
the
just
sake
because
of
you
doing
have
it.
to. Yeah,
Yeah,
don't do it. Do it because it's a good piece of content that people will like, or it might,
exactly.
go viral through reels or something. And
Yeah, and I mean the algorithm with with Instagram regarding Reels, it has like changed a lot, I believe. And people just saying, okay, if I create a reel on something, it might blow up, and we might gain followers. But I guess that's not the thing. The main thing is your content. People might
yeah,
watch your reel, but they won't follow you if your content is not good.
exactly.
So the basic thing that you need to build is your content. And that
Yeah,
comes with a lot of homework. You have
yeah.
to do your homework, you have to do your research, you have to prepare well. That's when you actually start, okay, now I'm ready to start a new page.
Yeah, definitely. And
Yeah,
I took 3 to 4 months before starting content creation. Actually,
right.
I took 3 to 4 months. I watched YouTube videos, how to do it, how to approach a brand.
Yeah,
I was so ready, and I'm so grateful for that I did it. And I did not just
exactly.
jump into it and started doing just anything.
Exactly.
So then I stopped in November because I had to give my CAT exam. Then
Okay.
again, I did, more research that what are people doing right now. The trend changes every month, every day,
Yeah,
literally.
that's true.
So then I came back
And to
again in
catch up
January.
on that, that also becomes, I mean, that gets a bit taxing as well on your mental health, I would say. That,
True,
to catch up on the trend as it's changing like haywirely. So,
true.
yeah,
Even Instagram's features change every day, and
that's true.
until
Yeah,
unless you're not using the updated feature, you will
yeah,
not, get a good reach. So
that's true.
even that is just
Keeping up with technology is also a major chunk in this thing.
true, so true.
Yeah,
And one thing for people, who are starting right now is just take your camera and sit in natural lighting. With the
yeah,
lighting, it's such a big task, until the more lighting, the better your quality is. I've seen
right,
people
right,
investing in such cameras and everything, but still they do not provide good quality content because I guess
right.
lighting is the main game in this.
Exactly, and people do want to watch good content, good quality content. The sound
Yeah,
should be perfect. The lighting should be perfect.
definitely.
So
And you know, the videos which are very hazy and in a dark room, they never
yeah,
they will, there are very less chances that they will go viral, because people
exactly,
just skip it. They won't see bad quality content. They will think that you
exactly,
are not a professional in it, or you have not been
right,
doing it for a long time. I've seen people with
definitely,
just 5 to 7 posts, but every post or every video is so professional and
yeah,
so formally made, and they have such good followers as well. So that is the thing you should keep in mind. And I've even seen the people who are just starting out, they
yeah,
create entertainment reels. They have a skincare page, but they're just creating entertainment reels and going viral with that. They have
exactly
like
for a
two
better
to
reach.
three, yeah, they have 2 to 3
Yeah,
products related to skincare, and
yeah,
due to their entertainment reels, they have got 12, 15K, and even now the
exactly,
brands are approaching them. So that is what
exactly,
gets into my head. I have created only skincare related content for
yeah,
so long, and you're just giving it to random girls who don't have knowledge about it, or
exactly. Just
that
because
gets
of the reach, the
frustrating.
numbers. Yeah,
It's in
all
India,
right.
that you are judged based on your followers. In maybe
Yeah, exactly.
in foreign countries, brands actually see your content. They see
Yeah,
your qualifications, or maybe what type of content you are creating, your niche and everything, and they can hire you like anytime. They will even provide you the equipments, or they will bring you to their studios and
right.
create content with you. But here it's just it's a
It's
really
all a
bad
number game.
competition.
You have
Yeah.
followers, you get collabs. That's it.
Even though they're just getting 500 views on their reels, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
With my 200 to 2300 followers approx, I
yeah,
get 5 to 6,000 views on each reel. Some of my
yeah,
reels have even gone up to 300K, 500K.
yeah,
So that keeps you going, and thankfully they were actually my niche related. So that is the thing that
exactly.
brought two true followers to me.
Exactly, exactly. And
Like,
with people, I notice that they begin with a particular niche, maybe skincare or beauty, and then when they see that, okay, entertainment thing is gaining more followers, so they simply divert their,
yeah,
ways to it. That's just
I
not fair. I mean, you need to stick to your particular genre
yeah,
because
you're
that's
not even
what.
fair to yourself.
Exactly, exactly. Just because you want followers, it's not good to, do that.
Yeah,
But again, it's all upon people, whatever they want to do.
true.
Yeah.
And if you're gaining
So
followers
let's,
because of the entertainment reel, then
yeah,
they are coming for the entertainment. And when they will see no
exactly.
more entertainment on your page, they will just go back. They won't
We
follow
will just
you.
go back. True, true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So now let's just take a few questions from the audience. So I saw
Okay.
someone asking, what can I do for the acne scars on my face? So
Acne
Bhavika.
scars. Okay, if
Yeah.
it's not acne, it's only acne scars, then again, my favorite, vitamin C. So, vitamin C basically, it brightens up your face, and it fades away the acne scars as well. So, that is
All
one
right.
thing you can definitely do. And do not apply it around your eyes, because it's inactive and it can irritate your eyes.
Definitely. I mean, read all the instructions well and then only do it.
Yeah. And
So I
do a
believe
patch
you got
test
the
before that.
answer. Yeah. All right. So any other questions do we have, guys? Anything you want to ask, Bhavika? People are really appreciating you, Bhavika. Some of your reels are so good. You create such pure content. That's true. That's definitely true. So,
Thank you
yeah.
guys.
Someone is asking, is there anything for stretch marks?
For stretch marks,
Yeah.
since I do not have any stretch marks and I haven't tried anything for it, maybe you can, go to the women who have tried it. I guess bio oil is something that worked for my happiness.
Right.
I forgot her name. What's her name? Komal. Yeah. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
go to her. Bio oil is the one product that she recommends for stretch marks. You can give it a
Stretch
try.
marks. Definitely. So, I would like to say that, embrace your body as it is. Stretch marks are no big deal. Many of us have it. So
True.
yeah, even if after that you want to feel good in yourself, and that's why you need some of the solution for that, then you can definitely go for some professional advice.
Definitely.
Then yeah, what can I do for hair thinning?
For hair thinning,
Yeah.
um, first step is to go to a dermatologist. Do not
Definitely.
do not go to any influencer's DM and ask them for hair thinning, or basically, any major problem that you have. The
Yeah,
products that they recommend are the products that work for them and not for you.
exactly.
Only a dermatologist can recommend you the products that will work for you. So go to a
Exactly.
dermatologist.
And that's such an internal thing. It might be because of some deficiency in your body, or a lot of factors act on it. So yeah,
Yeah.
go see a doctor.
If you have a stomach ache, you will never go to an influencer, right? So don't go
Exactly.
to an influencer for this even.
Definitely. I think that answers your question. So yeah, any more questions, people? So someone was asking, how can I increase my followers? I think she already answered that. Be
Yeah,
consistent, but do not degrade the quality of your content.
true. Just don't.
Yeah,
And you can, majorly do everything on your phone. Even the reels provide you so many features that you can create a really good piece of content with just using Instagram's camera.
that's true. That's true. Yeah. So, yeah, Gangvani Akshay is asking, can I use a moisturizer with SPF of say 15 with vitamin C, or is sunscreen important? It definitely is. Yeah, Bhavika,
Sunscreen
go
is
ahead.
important first. It's the most important, I would say. Second, you can use you can the basically the order is use a serum, vitamin C serum, then use a moisturizer, and then use a sunscreen. And make sure that your sunscreen is minimum 30 SPF when you're going out. 15 SPF is fine when you are indoors. And yes, this is one other important thing, that sunscreen is important even when you are indoors, even when it's gloomy outside, even when it's raining, because the
Yeah,
rays are there. You can't see them, but they are there. So do not skip a
exactly.
sunscreen any day, except at night. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, someone's asking, what is the best sunscreen? Which would you suggest?
Um, the one that I like right now is this one by Organic Harvest. This is their SPF 50, and it has UVA and UVB one as well. And
All
it's
right.
like a matte finish, water resistant one. I really like it, and even the white cast is so less. I love it. Do not
Yeah,
buy
I
this.
mean, the major problem I think people face with sunscreen is the white cast it leaves behind.
It,
That's a very
if
ugly
it's a
thing.
mineral sunscreen, it will definitely leave a white cast.
Yeah.
And if you are using a chemical sunscreen, then that will not leave a white cast, and it will do the work as well.
All
So
right.
yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. So, yeah, ma'am, where do you find the discipline to work on a regular basis?
I don't work on a regular basis. What I do is I mass shoot. Like,
All right.
I'll get ready on one day, okay,
Yeah.
supposedly Monday or Sunday. I'll
Yeah.
shoot 5 to 6 pieces of content for the
Yeah.
whole week, and then each day I'll edit one and post one. So that is what
Oh,
gives me a lot of time to for other things as
exactly.
well.
Definitely. Definitely.
Yeah.
So that's the strategy that she follows, and actually, it's amazing, I believe, because
Yeah.
you can be all creative in one day and then just plan it out
Yeah.
as per your schedule, and it works.
And what that helps as well is I can plan my feed much before. So that,
Exactly.
like recently I had that green, yellow kind of feed. So that is
Yeah,
only possible because I shot the content beforehand. And
definitely.
yeah,
Someone's asking, how do you manage to look so beautiful?
I don't. I just smile. That's it.
That is the most beautiful thing, in a human
Yeah.
being.
Just
You just smile
thank
and
you
you're
so
beautiful.
much.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
So, any more questions, guys? Please drop in all your questions that you want her to answer.
Ma'am, your eyeshadow is so pretty. Thank you so much. I use this Huda palette, I guess. Yeah. Mercury something. I don't even remember its name. I'm not, much into makeup. I just don't remember the name of the product.
All right. Someone's asking at what age should we need to start a skincare routine?
There is
I
no
think this
age
is
in.
quite a confusion in a lot of people's mind that what is the right age to, dive into the skincare thing.
um, if you have seen in English movies or something, they start skincare of a kid, like an infant even. They put
Yeah,
sunscreen on it before going to a beach day or something.
yeah,
So your skincare basically starts from that day itself.
yeah,
Later on, when you enter your teenage or something, a basic people say usually CTM is enough, but I don't go with the CTM because you
yeah.
can skip toner. Right now, you're not using any actives that you need to absorb in your skin, so
Right.
you can just go with the cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen. It's important for everybody. When you enter your 20s maybe or late teenage, then you can
Yeah,
start with the proper skincare if you like, or if you have any skin issues, then only you can start. Otherwise, if you do not have any skin issues, then I don't think you need any actives or anything in your skincare routine. Just go simple
exactly.
with it. Yeah. And people have different products for lip care. I don't have
Yeah.
different products for lip care. What I do is I just take every step to my lips. If I'm
All
putting
right.
on a moisturizer, I use it on lips as well because it's just a
Yeah,
moisturizer. It
that's
has
true.
hyaluronic acid in it, which will help me to plump my lips. So
Yeah,
I take sunscreen to my lips as well, and it works great for me. I like maximum I'll use a Nivea lip balm or something like that.
yeah. Okay, someone's asking which foundation should I buy if I'm a beginner?
If you're a beginner, you can go with the Fit Me or Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. They are both very affordable and good for. They have a good range for Indian skin as well.
All right. I hope that answers your question. Very informative session. Thank you so much. That's why we brought her
Thank
in.
you. Thank you.
All right. So, any more questions, guys? I believe everyone's done with their questions.
Yeah, I guess. And
So,
even if you're beginning with your makeup or something, I don't use foundation much. All I go is with a concealer. Earlier, my makeup was actually opposite. I only used to
yeah,
use a foundation all over my face, and my under eyes used to look really bad in pictures.
yeah,
And then I later realized that you just need to cover the imperfections on your face with the concealer,
yeah,
and that's it. You're good to go. You have an even base. Just do the color part, the eyes, the blush, and everything. It's a good,
exactly.
yeah. And even putting on foundation on like an acne prone skin like mine, it's a really difficult task. So I
I
don't use
know, I know.
foundation at all. You can
Yeah,
you will find
sensitive
in
skin.
most of my videos, I
Yeah,
only do my skincare and I sit in front of the camera. That's it.
yeah. All right. Um, what's your routine in a day?
What's like my daily routine or like my skincare routine you're asking? I'm not quite clear.
I believe a daily routine. Yeah.
Daily
What
routine. Um,
definitely.
I wake up quite late. I am not an early riser as of now, I can say. So,
Yeah.
like, I wake up at 9 to 10 around, have my breakfast, and then before that, as soon as I wake up, what I do is I look into my journal, which in which I have wrote a few points that I have to do today. I
Right.
write it night before that, and then in the morning, that is the first thing that I read.
All
So
right.
that keeps me motivated, and it kinds of give me a direction towards the day, like what I
Exactly.
have to do next. So
Yeah.
that helps, and I try not to use phone as soon as I wake up
Yeah.
because it just pulls all the energy from your body that you have just gained after sleeping.
Exactly.
So that's the one thing that I try to avoid most of the times. And after breakfast and all, I get ready, shoot a few videos till lunch. Then in the evening, I do all my editing part and talking to the brands and old emailing as well. And then at in the evening, I take tuitions, so I go for that. And then at night, I just do my journal again and sleep on it.
That's so good. I mean, you have such a planned way of, going through the entire day of your life. And I
Yeah.
think you should definitely make a short vlog of your day, what you do. A lot of people might be interested in
Yeah,
knowing.
I'm going to do that. Actually, it's kind of a collaboration with one brand in which I'll be showing it all to you.
Right.
So yeah, wait for it.
We all are very excited for that as well.
Yeah.
All right. So I think we are done with pretty much all the questions.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
yeah. All right. So, Bhavika, it was amazing to have you on this platform. I mean, I am really grateful that you took out some time from your
Oh
busy
no,
schedule
please don't
and
say
joined
that.
us.
Yeah.
It was really good. It was really good, and it was indeed a very informative session. And I believe a lot of us gained something out of it. And if you guys have any more questions, please slide into her DMs. She will
Yeah.
be very happy to answer all of them.
I'm
And
on
please
it
do
right
follow
now.
her. Yeah.
Yeah.
All
It was
right.
great talking to you too, Vaishnavi. It was such a
Thank you
lovely
so
session.
much.
I
Thank you
enjoyed
so
it.
much. That's amazing. And I believe that we'll keep having this, and
Yeah,
we'll love to
definitely.
have you again on this platform.
Thank
Definitely.
you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye-bye. Bye.